Hello, my lovely lock minions, and those of you that are new to my channel. My name is Umfan. I'm a teacher, dancer, and hair guru for locks. And in this channel, we're going to explore. So if you are interested, stay tuned and continue watching. But please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Duh. And one more thing. Return back to my channel, Locs, for you to love. Locks for you to love. Brushing your locks may cause frizz. I don't want that. Brushing your locks may disturb the neatness. Okay, so one of the reasons why I brush my locks is because brushing your locks distributes oils throughout your hair and also expands the locks and it creates volume. Now, some people may not like that or may not care for it because they think that it could cause, damage, as in, I don't necessarily think they're saying damage. What I hear them saying and how I translate that is the neatness or their idea of what neat locks are. So again, the great thing about brushing your locks is it does distribute natural oils and the oils you put in your hair. Think about it. You put a dime size of oil on your hand, rub it in, and then you try to get it through all your hair. And you do miss some spots. And when you use a tool like a brush, you can distribute the oils all through your locks. And I feel like a lot of people don't understand how that is helpful, because the one thing about having locks is you want to keep your hair moisturized. And in order to keep it moisturized, once you put the liquid in your hair or on your hair, you need to fill it with the oil, but you need to distribute it evenly so it coats the hair and locks in the moisture. And that's one of the reasons why I like to use that tool called a brush. So another reason why I brush my locks, that it promotes hair growth and it stimulates the follicles and it increases the blood flow in your scalp. And those are one of many benefits of brushing your locks. Not only that, with brushing your locks, it helps with the length. And a lot of people don't know that. But from what I heard in my comments, is I feel like a lot of people are misinformed, especially those who have locks for years. They're like, I never seen anybody brush their locks. What are you doing? And brushing your locks is one of many things that you do to maintain the length, prevent a lot of the length from staying on your locks. So if you are looking to promote growth and volume, brush your locks. Again, it's just my opinion. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it's your job to do research and find out the things that are beneficial to your hair and other things that are not beneficial to your hair, or what fits your lifestyle. And brushing my locks is what fits my lifestyle. So you just want to make sure whatever brush, whatever tool that you use doesn't compromise the integrity of the lock. This is the brush that I use. I don't feel like it compromises the integrity of the lock. I don't feel like it disturbs the lock. I feel like it just brushes on the top layer of the lock and it does the things that I need to continue with my lock journey. And it helps with the length. Again, this is only one of many things that I do to reduce the length in my hair. So now that you know why I use a brush on my locks, I hope this information gives you the proper things that you need to make a decision on whether or not you want to start brushing your locks, continue brushing your locks, or don't ever brush your locks ever in life. And it's all up to you. But the thing that we have to do as people is do the research, ask questions, and figure out what works best for you. I just want to say thank you for watching. And if you did like what you've seen so far, go to my channel, Locs, for you to love. And don't forget to thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. Duh.